Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. After such a long time, in today's video, I'm going to create one look for you people. This look is such a glam look and more or less on a neutral side. Anybody can carry this look in any party or occasion. Nude looks are trending these days. I hope you all have seen Alia Bhatt's wedding pictures. Nude looks are rocking. Though this is not the one inspired from Alia Bhatt wedding look, I am planning to do one in future. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you stay connected. And in today's video, let's get started and see how I achieved this beautiful look. I completely loved this look on me. And if you're following me from past time, you know that how much I like brown and nude looks. So without a further ado, let's get started and see what all our products I used and how I did it. Starting this video with a tip: always do your makeup on a clear skin. So today I am using a baby wipe to clean all my face, to remove all the dirt. Then I'm going to use the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Toner. This is my very favorite toner. I really like it. Then I am going to move and going to hydrate my face. This time I'm using a primer. This is the Plume Silk Blur Primer. I really like it. Right after the use, you can see that the skin starts becoming very supple and looks very nourished. So I like to use this particular one as my primer and moisturizer. This does the job completely. I'll do my eyes first. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty concealer. I'm going to put that on the lids and I'm going to blend it and create a base for my eyeshadows. In order to set the lid area, I'm using the Forever Compact Powder and I'm going to use the sponge which comes with it, and I'm going to set the lids. In order to create this glam look, the dress I'm wearing, the top I'm wearing is more or less like a purpley tone. In the video it might look black or grey, but it was purple. Today I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Temi Carnival Pro palette. From this I'm going to use two purple shades. One is little darker and one is little lighter. I'm going to choose both the colors, mix it, and the technique today I'm using is just pick it, pat it and blend it. I didn't have any brush today apart from these two three brushes. All my brushes were wet. They were into washing and didn't dry quickly, so they were not dried basically. So I only had one fluffy blending brush. I'm just working with it. So I'm just picking the color, placing it, and just blending it and creating a monochromatic look here. Then because I chose a Plume as a moisturizer primer after doing my makeup, I thought that it still needs some priming. I used a sugar hydrating primer. I really like it. It is silicone based primer and I love it. For my foundation, I'm using Forever 52 Ultra Definition Foundation. I am choosing two colors. One is little darker and one is lighter. So in order to make my customized shade, I am taking two pumps of both and mixing it and making my shade, and then I'm applying it on my face, and then I am going to blend it with the beauty blender. The beauty blender here I am using is again from Forever 52. I really like this beauty blender. This does the job perfectly. Now after blending it, make sure if you are the person who really like correcting, who really like layering up things, then you can definitely do that. You can first do the correction and then do the foundation, and then you can do the highlighting part. You can see the instant difference. Though this foundation which I am using is a buildable foundation, it is not going to give you that patchy finish, but yes, a full coverage finish. If you want to build up the coverage, of course you can do that with this. Now I want to give you a piece of information basically here with this foundation. When you apply Forever 52, if you have your own shade, then you're lucky enough. But if you don't have your own shade and you are customizing it, it might look lighter on your face when you are doing it. But after some time, you will see that it is blending into your skin properly, and now after some time it is going to give you your own shade reflex. So do not actually get panic when you are applying this foundation. Just to give a little bit of highlight, because I was not using the foundation under my eye, so I tried this time using a concealer only under my eyes. I used the Swiss Beauty concealer and blended it. If you see, you can see that whatever I was saying, that currently it might look little whitey and out of the shade, out of the tone, but after some time it is going to blend into your skin and look like a perfect base. In order to give some colors to my face, I am using this Cuffs and Lashes 2.0 palette. From this I am going to take the brownie contour shade and I am going to do the contour on my face. You can see that how I'm doing a contour. If you are a beginner, try to make a letter 3 starting from the forehead, coming to the cheeks and under the chin area. Try to make a 3 and you will see that difference. Can you just see, if I compare the one side with the other side, you will automatically see the difference. So this is how you're going to do the contour. You can see the difference. One looks really lifted and other one is quite full. In order to do the blush, I am using this NELF blush today, and this is such a pigmented blush. I love it. The only problem which I face with this blush is that you have to be really careful, and I am not a person who can use a brush carefully. I like to dip my brushes like anything, so you have to be really careful. This is super pigmented. Now whatever left on the brush, I am applying it on the nose. Now here is the highlighter shade from the same Cuffs and Lashes 2.0 palette, and with the fan brush I am going to highlight the highest point of my face, like cheekbone, bridge of nose, cupid's bow, forehead, brows, under the brows, like wherever you want that highlighting reflex and of light, you can actually apply it. Now once I'm done highlighting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move towards my eyes one more time. I'm going to use this sugar gel eyeliner and I'm going to create a simple line. I am not going to enhance it. I'm not going to make a wing. I'm not going to smudge it, nothing. I'm just going and making a simple line. That's it. This is what I am going to do, and then I am moving towards the mascara. I'm going to apply the mascara both on the upper and the lower lashes, but I am not applying any kajal today. Instead of kajal, what I'm going to do is, from the same palette, I'm going to take the brown contour color and I'm going to apply it under the lower lash line. This is what I'm doing with my under lower lash line this time. Nothing else I'm doing, and this time I really don't want any kajal on my eyes. Applying my mascara and finishing the look of my eyes. In order to give a natural finish, I am just using the Nykaa brow color and I am just using the wand of that and filling it and coloring my eyebrows. I am not using any gel, I am not using any powder or pencil, but I am just using this mascara and giving it a natural color. Now for my lips, I am going to use a sugar lip crayon. This is in the shade Peachy Pixie, something like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it quickly and I'm going to put it on my upper and lower lip. Then in order to soothe it down, in order to lighten it up, I'm just using my fingers and removing the excess color. In order to finish the whole look, I am using the Sugar Dewy setting spray and fixing that with a beauty blender, and this is how the last look like. All the products which I have used in the videos, all the links are in the description box. If you want to give it a try, if you want to check it out, do click on the link and you can have a look at the products. I shall meet you in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this look. In future, whatever the videos you want to see, just let me know in the comment section below what sort of other topics or what sort of other videos I should bring it up for you people. I would love to create those videos for you and I would love to show you that videos. That is it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I shall meet you in the next one. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.